Hello everybody, I'm Debbie Giordano of Master Brokers. Welcome to my weekly update. We're well into the month of April. I can't believe 2024 is just flying by already. So it's been actually a very good last 3 months in the marketplace. So let me go over 3 topics that I'm going to cover today. The article in the Milpitas Post, NAR, which is National Association Realtors, highlights dire lack of housing affordability and inventory in congressional testimony. And then we'll cover the March 2024 housing statistics for the city of Milpitas. And then last but not least, I'll bring forward to you all my coming soon listings, everything that we're prepping and getting ready for the market, and then an open house that I have in a couple weeks. So let's dive into the article in the Milpitas Post. The housing prices continue to rise due to constrained housing inventory, and we're certainly seeing that here in our local area. From March 2020 to January 2024, the existing home prices have climbed 35.7%. That's amazing. And while the household family income has only climbed 22.9%. So that's a national statistic. We might be seeing that even more prevalent here in this area, maybe seeing a little bit higher rise in housing prices. That is concerning because the housing affordability is so low in this area. I think it's down to about 16% of the population can even afford a median priced home. But because of the low inventory, sellers are being able to get amazing prices for their home, move out, buy into a lower priced area, either for retirement or for work relocation. So don't be dismayed. It's a great market for sellers, and certainly the pricing has gone up. So for the March 2024 housing statistics in Milpitas, the average selling price for a Milpitas home is $1,620,000, and the average median price is $1,641,000. We saw a little bit higher value back in February. There was quite a rise. It was almost up to 1.7, a little over 1.7. So it just tends to level off a little bit. So this is probably a more true median and average price. Then the condo prices are doing great. The average condo townhouse is $1,188,000. And the median price is $1,297,000. So you can see that demand is huge because that's an entry-level housing. Believe it or not, 1.2 million is an entry-level housing in Milpitas, and so that's really kept the values way up high for that. Let's talk about what I've got coming up. Lots of good stuff. So 1627 Starlight Drive in Milpitas. That's in the Starlight Pines area. It's a 4-bedroom, 2.5 bath, about 1,700 square feet, and the price point on that will be 1.7. We're getting the keys next week. We're going to paint the inside and outside of that property, put all new carpeting in, do professional cleaning, and it's going to look great. And then the staging. So we might want to do some before and after photos on that one. I'll talk to the videographer about that property. That'd be fun. And then my duplex is still for sale. We're bringing that back on the market. The seller decided to do new garage doors at the duplex and new stone in the front to give it a more nicer curb appeal. And the price point on that will be $1,450,000. They're 2-bedroom, 1 bath on each of the units with, like I said, with garages and private yards. And then 1971 Camargo Drive in San Jose. That's in the Berryessa area. Get the keys finally next week. That one will be painted. We're going to do a little bit of remodeling. The seller wants to put some money into that property. And that one is a 3-bedroom, 2 bath, close to 1,600 square feet. And it has an ADU, which is called an accessory dwelling unit in the back, which is 312 square feet. So it's a great property to have extra guests. You can rent that out. It's great for teenagers or extended family. So it's really ADUs are really the way to go. And the price point on that is a little under $2 million. We're going to go in at $1,988,000. 888. Then 2116 Blue Ridge Drive in Milpitas should be coming around the corner. Been waiting on that all year. It's a 4-bedroom, 3-bath Hillcrest townhome, not townhome, sorry, Hillcrest area house with the Synod Elementary School, and it's built by Chappelle. It's got a 3-car garage. We're going to paint the in and out of that and then do laminate flooring and clean that up and stage it and do new landscaping. Price point on that is $2,398,888. And then I listed 1679 Everglades Drive in Milpitas. That's in the Parktown area. So you can see I'm kind of getting all over town here. It is in the Synod Elementary School. 3-bedroom, 2-bath with an expanded, huge family room. The kitchen is gorgeous. It's got an island in it. It's just beautiful on the remodeling on that one. And the price point on that is $1.6. And then I've another coming soon will be 412 North Abbott Avenue in Milpitas. That's in the Manor area. That is a 4-bedroom, 2-bath with a family room. The master bedroom is huge. The master bath has been added on and remodeled, so there's a little bit of an addition to that property. But what's really neat about this home is the backyard is huge. It opens up into a culvert. There's no homes behind it, and you can add, I'm sure, an accessory dwelling unit easily to the back of that property. And the price point on that will be $1.7. Okay, open house. So coming up in a few weeks is going to be 42554 Charleston Way in Fremont. Sellers are getting ready to move out next week, and then we're going to get that cleaned up, stage it, and get ready for the photography. It's a 3-bedroom, 2-bath, 1,439 square feet. Really cute home. The sellers have loved it for all their 37 years that they lived in the property, and it'll be a nice entry level 1.4 for that single family home. All right, well, great market. As you can see, sellers are getting their pricing or above asking. Buyers are plentiful. Interest rates may start to come down a little bit, but the Federal Reserve Board is giving some mixed signals as to when that's going to happen, but it certainly isn't deterring this market. Stock market's been good. There's plenty of stock options and down payments available for buyers that are in the tech industry. So give me a call, 408-945-8988 or giordanodj@aol.com. I look forward to talking to you, meeting you. We'll evaluate your home and see how you can perform on this amazing market. Thanks, and we'll see you next week. Bye-bye.